Hello all, welcome to my channel. Today's video will be covering the 6th and 7th day of our Goa trip. The first stop was the St. Alex Church, which is located on the banks of the Angdi Tolem. The concept that this church is built on is very similar to Hindu temples constructed on the banks of a tank. Initially, it was built as a chapel, then it was elevated to a church in 1808. The church has more of a contemporary 18th century style design. The main altar is very elegant in its design. Next, we reach the Menezes Braganza house. It is a 17th century Portuguese style mansion filled with antique furniture, relics and historical artifacts. Many scenes in the latest Tamil movie Doctor were shot here. As you go on in this video, you will be able to relate to various shots from the movie. Visiting this place comes with a cost of Rs 150 per person, which they use to maintain this historical place.
And all the things, most of it is from that century, 16th century. Here we have 16th century Chinese paintings on the back side of a glass. We have the coat of arms presented as a gift to him from the King of Portugal in this form of a porcelain plate. Furniture made in Goa, made of rose and teak wood, and it is locally made, completely handmade. No other work used. Antlers, these are deer horns, so they are real antlers, and this is a hat and coat stand, and this is the main stand to look like it.
The old Portuguese styled facade gives the entry to both the wings, which consists of a total of 24 windows, and this is one of the longest ancestral houses in Goa. A representative or family member is always forthcoming to give tourists a guided tour. The west wing belongs to the Menezes Braganza family, while the east wing is with the Pereira Braganza family. The latter includes a chapel that houses a relic of Saint Francis Xavier.
There are two equally big houses by two brothers. So this brother took the other 15th and 16th generation.
A saloon and a ballroom featuring an Italian marble floor with a stunning chandelier and ornate furniture dating back to the 18th century amplifies its charm. Then we went down to Salolim Dam to just get a glimpse of it from the outside. We knew that this dam was not open for tourists due to COVID restrictions, however, we didn't want to miss the view. We were then heading to the Netrabali Wildlife Sanctuary and the Savary waterfalls. It was a beautiful ride through the ghats and countryside of Goa.
Full of the falls next வந்து பிஎஸ்என்எல் தவிர வேறு எந்த நெட்வொர்க் கிடையாது. பிஎஸ்என்எல் தவிர எதுவுமே கிடையாது.
இப்போ நமக்கு ஏதாச்சுன்னா இவங்க வந்து பார்ப்பாங்க, இந்த கார் ஏன் இன்னும் வெளில வரலன்னு சொல்லி சாயங்காலம் சர்ச் பண்ணுவாங்க, இல்லை நாளைக்கு காலையில் பார்ப்பாங்க. ஆமாம், ரோஜெலாம் பார்த்தோம்.
After a wee bit of trekking, we took a dip in the Savri waterfall, which was not too crowded, and after swimming in the cold and clean pool of water, we also enjoyed a fascinating natural fish pedicure. There was also a beautiful lake that bubbles naturally, which is called as the Bubble Lake in Netravali. Open or if it's easily accessible, but let's see. So come with it. Hey Matan, where are we going?
We are going to Harvelam காட்டுக்குள்ள அதில் ட்ரெக்கிங் இருக்கு which is உனக்கு ரொம்ப பிடிச்ச ஆக்டிவிட்டியில்
ஆமாம்
ஜுமான்ஜி ஃபார் சஞ்சு
on trekkers
ஜுமான்ஜி ஃபார் நேற்றுக்கு தான் ஒரு ட்ரெக்கிங் போயிட்டு செம்ம பம்ப்ட் அப்பாக இருக்கீங்கன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். What do you say, Sanju?
Yes, all warmed up for Harvelam. We have reached Harvelam waterfalls. So we just asked few people who are returning back. They said to take these stairs, you reach the waterfall. I'm hoping there's no much trek. So come, let's go. The Harvelam waterfall is definitely scenic, serene and worth visiting. This is definitely one of the best places that we visited in South Goa, and every tourist must visit this without fail.
டாயர் போயிட்டு நீ அப்படி போய் முட்டை வருது அப்படி போ ரைட்ல போய்
எல்லாம் அம்மா பின்னாடி போயிடுச்சுங்க.
The man, Mithun Srinivasan.
வீடியோ எடுக்கணும்னு தெரிஞ்சோன்னா பர்ஃபார்மன்ஸ் சரியாக கொடுத்துரும்.
Next spot is Tambidi Surla Mahadev Temple. It's a very beautiful temple. I've seen in pictures. It has a little touch of Bali temple structure, so I was very particular to come here. So let's see how it is inside. It's raining here and it's a beautiful location, and we're all set with our raincoats. So let's go. Mahadev Temple Tambadi Surla is a 12th century temple in the Kadamba style dedicated to Lord Shiva and an active place of Hindu worship. The temple is built in the Kadamba style from basalt, carried across the mountains from the Deccan Plateau and carved by craftsmen. It is considered to be the only specimen of Kadamba architecture in basalt stone preserved and available in Goa. The temple survived untouched due to its remote location in a clearing deep forest at the foot of Western Ghats which surrounds the site. After this, we visited the Dudh Sagar waterfalls. We will put that as a separate video because that itself was an experience that needs to be told differently. And it was one of a life-threatening experience for all of us. So stay tuned and wait for the next video. Bye.
Playing it subtle as usual.